How to change photo background Canva tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So first things first that we're going to do is, of course, we're going to select our image. For example, this one. And you're going to click on background remover over here at the top. Next, we're going to search our background over here. So let's say Sakura. Click on photos. And over here, simply select your background image that you want to have. Margin it. So, and let's put it to the back over here. Now let's just put our guy over here onto fit. Now it might look off, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on edit, and over here you could maybe play around with the different filters over here to help make it look more natural in its example, this one here. And we could even add some shadows over here just to give effect over here. So, or could make some cap effect, as you can see. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.